Have you ever wondered how to transform your free webinars from a cost center into a profit center? How to engage your webinar guests in a way that's not only meaningful, but also rewarding for them? Well, there's a revolutionary new tool that's changing the game for web-based event organizers around the world. Today, we're going to talk about social rewards-powered webinars. Imagine a world where individuals that participate in your free webinars are not just guests, but advocates for your cause. A world where they're motivated to spread the word about your work on social media, increasing your visibility and reach. That's the world social rewards-powered webinars can help you create. But how does it work? It's simple. For each individual who pre-registers to participate in your free webinars, $1 is deposited directly into your social rewards account, plus up to $150 for each guest that upgrades their social rewards annual membership package. That's right. With this technology, you can earn $1 for each person that participates in free webinars, plus up to $700 every $1,000 in advertising, membership, hosting, and tipping revenues. It's time to learn more about social rewards-powered webinars. Click the link in the video description to take your webinar marketing efforts to the next level. Start registering more webinar guests with less effort forever.